First one is
Conduction.
first one. I have asked only first one. Conduction. Now we have candle and this metal spoon. Okay, so I am going to this I am placed here, and we need to wait for some minute or even second. It is dropped or not?
No, sir.
No, sir. Okay. But you can see from back side.
Yes, sir.
Now it is start melting. It's start melting or not?
Yes.
If you are able to see, it starts melting. That means from that end the heat is transferring from that end to this end, and it is possible in now it's fallen down. Now it's possible in solids. So this is solid. This is also a solid now.
Yes.
Now I am going to hit from that end. Do the heat will transfer from that end to this end?
No, sir.
Why?
Because they are not conductor.
Okay, because there is no any movements of molecules. There is no any movements of molecules. Even this is a good conductors, but you can touch here, no any hits. You can touch here, no any hit, because it is not transferring from any ends. It is only transferred on that part which is burned. Which is burned. Again, this is which solid type of thing. Even this is solid type of things. So again, cardboard, you can start burning. So even so I can touch here, no problem, because again heat is not transferring from this end to that end. Why? Again, this is not a conductor. So out of the solid, the conduction is possible in only in conductors. Only in conductors. Again, we have this plastic spoon. Again, it will be burned also. So again, it will be not transferred because plastic is also a plastic is also a
Bad
bad conductor. So it will not be transferred.